guys, welcome back to another gaming mode, and today we're going to be playing Nfsr Rivals. And in this episode I have some cars. Oh, actually, let's just say I've locked a lot of them in the past decade, basically. So in this video I'm going to be playing as the Ferrari 458 Spider. I have kind of customized it, so yeah. I'm gonna just... Hello. If you see me on the screen, that is my selfie stick. Yeah. You know what? Excuse me, I'm sorry guys. Oh, you see that red? That's my oh wow. That's my controller red. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Hold on, I have to go sorry here. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. Finally, I can brag now about this. What? What? Let's go. Oh, this is OP. Let's go. It looks beautiful. Looks like the real one. Oh gosh, I didn't mean to do that. What do I do? Wanna go? There, had that. Oh, that dang helicopter though. Get in the cave. We can be safe here. Okay. Identity me. So I'm like a snake. Oh, straight up the car got hit. Straight up, the car got straight up hit by its own policeman. Jeez, always. Imagine that happened to your new thingy. No, you won't. This is amazing. Oh, check this out. Gotcha! Take it. Wow. Oh, hi there. Dang it, you! Wow! That ramp though. Never do that. Oh, by the way, guys, the Ferrari Spider. Oh, he's using one of me. He's using one with the same thing I have. I don't care. So by the way, the Ferrari 458 Spider is one of my favorite cars. I love this spot. This is one reason why I love this spot. Weehaw! So yeah, back where the Ferrari is one of my favorite cars. It's my second favorite car. So the first favorite car that I like is the Lamborghini Aventador because I haven't unlocked it yet, but I will soon. Okay, I thought there was something following me. And I can tell you one thing, this thing's fast. Going 203 miles per hour. Hey, you don't do that. Oh, this guy wants to do it too, huh? Hi. Well, at least I finished second. I'm doing it again. Let's go. So back at it with the Ferrari is one of my favorite cars. What the heck? Oh. Get ejected. Jesus Christ. You want to do that for my new Ferrari, man? I bet my car's better than yours. So back, I tried to talk, but it doesn't really work out, so back at it with the Ferraris, one of my favorite cars. Yeah, I said the Lamborghini Aventador was my favorite. But just the way, see, why it's one of my favorite cars is because the way it looks and how fast it is. And I haven't locked it at rank 10. Boy, I did not hit that guy. Boing, boing, bouncy. Oh, I thought that was another copy for some reason. So yeah, the Ferrari is a good car. It goes to 203 miles per hour. This one ain't fully upgraded, so I don't know I want to know how it acts. Is that a police officer? No, that's a car. That's a racer. What the frick? Go back to. He has to turn around, so. Oh, they're right behind me. Oh, that swing around though, bruh. That swing around. So yeah, bam! Cool. Wow! So yeah, I'll explain this. So. No! Woo! 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 I don't want to make this one very long, so that's why. Though, man. Oh! Still second place though. I did not mean to do that. That's why. For our next episode, I'll be playing as the Lamborghini because Lamborghini is my favorite car. Lamborghini Gallery is one of my favorite. So yeah. So anyway, guys, do enjoy this video. Hopefully, guys, you did enjoy it. And leave a comment down below saying what's your favorite car and what kind of and why you like. Oh wow! And why you like it. And why you like it why I like it, and why is it your favorite? And leave in the comments down below what's your favorite car, why is it your favorite. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and keep rolling on the roads. And this guy's still following me. He's gonna get it. Let's go. Bye guys.